paint scuttle. Absolutely nothing wrong with it, apart from the handle keeps coming off, worn, dropping out. So I have had this for a long time, but I don't want to get rid of it, so I need to sort this out. Got a piece of guttering, and I want to remove this piece on the end, this profile. So with a sharp blade, straight down that crease, just score it a few times. Once I've scored it a few times, then I just need to cut it. I've made a couple of pencil marks. And with a pair of pliers, that's one. Two. So the pieces of plastic now, third edges, just give them a light sand, clean them up, so they look something like that. Now I've got a piece of ply, pop that on top, see what that will give me now. So I can pop that against there, and I'll make a couple of marks. Generally that's where I want it to sit. Then with my ruler, about the same distance, I can now just mark this. So now all this on this side is waste. Just need to cut this out and cut this off. So you can see where I've trimmed it up to now. Now I'm just ready for the next bit. So make a mark either side. So those two marks are there. Now I can push this piece of timber ply up here, and then that small angle I'll just offer onto there, and then mark this side. I won't split this in half yet, but the areas I'm going to be removing are these. So first of all, drill and just take a corner out. Those holes will just make it easier to cut out with the jigsaw. Wait till the blade stops. One more. This is slightly loose, which is what I want. Now I can just mark underneath that plastic there, trim that off. Now I need to ensure that I do key around all these edges, anywhere where I'm going to be bonding against. Got the scuttle turned upside down, put the handle back on. First piece. Bond that one on. Make sure I just work that in. So I'll put some in the corners down there. Just up that side a little bit. Put some of that out. And then just straight onto the back of here. Just slide this into position. Do the other one. Make sure you work that in. That's free. Just leave that for a bit. This has been drying for about an hour, so it touched dry. Touched dry in 20 minutes actually, but that's okay. Not strong enough yet for what I want, but it'll hold that there, no problem. But what I won't do is just stress it out. I'll leave it to dry the other way up. But again, two reasons why I didn't want to throw it. Nothing wrong with it. It's a good scuttle. And that handle is perfect. Nice comfortable handle. Great for working on walls and ceilings. Just carrying that around. Get a gallon of paint in that. That's a good comfortable handle. So that's okay. I'll leave that there. Or this one, which is better for outsides, but I do use it inside. The handle straight away, got a point for your can hook. A bit more uncomfortable to carry when they're full of paint. Can crease your hand a bit. And then the handle set in the plastic. It's just sat in a hole, so it's not going to drop out the slot. A lot better. But certainly nothing wrong with that. It's a good solid repair.